Embracing the bubble. A playful approach to counterconditioning fearful and reactive dogs. Understanding your dog's emotional bubble. Just like us, dogs have rich emotional lives, and those emotions drive their behavior. Negative emotions like anxiety or fear can lead to aggression or other challenging behaviors. This is where the concept of the canine bubble comes into play. Imagine your dog has an invisible bubble around them. This bubble represents their comfort zone. Anything that enters this bubble can trigger a reactive response, especially if it's something they're fearful of. The basics of counterconditioning. Counterconditioning is about flipping your dog's perception of scary things. It involves associating the scary stimulus with something your dog absolutely adores. It could be a favorite toy, a game, or even a special treat. The key is to change their emotional response from a fearful one to a positive or at least a tolerant one. Staying below the emotional threshold. It's crucial to keep your dog below their emotional threshold. This means finding the level where they don't react negatively and starting your counterconditioning there. If they're nervous or afraid, they might not respond to treats or play. This is where understanding their bubble is essential. You need to make sure the trigger is always well beyond the edges of their bubble. Gradual exposure and desensitization. Desensitization involves getting your dog used to the scary thing by starting at low levels of the stimulus and gradually working up. You know your dog is ready to move to the next level when their association with the current level becomes positive. They should look to you for their game or treat, and their body language should be calm and relaxed. A practical plan for desensitization and counterconditioning. Let's outline a sample plan for a dog with a fear of other dogs. 1. Have your dog 20 feet from a quiet and still dog. When they notice the other dog, engage them in their favorite game or offer a high-value treat. 2. Gradually decrease the distance, keeping your dog below threshold. 3. Once they're comfortable next to the still dog, increase the challenge by having the other dog move parallel to yours, continuing with positive reinforcement. 4. Slowly decrease the distance until your dog can stand near the moving dog. 5. Repeat the process with added elements, like the other dog making noise. Remember, this process requires patience and can take months. It's about protecting and gradually shrinking your dog's bubble, not bursting it. In conclusion, training a fearful or reactive dog is a journey that demands empathy, patience, and a lot of love. By embracing the bubble theory and incorporating play into your counterconditioning efforts, you can significantly improve your dog's quality of life. Each small step forward is a victory. And remember, if you're struggling, don't hesitate to consult a professional dog trainer or behaviorist. Happy training! Coaching canine companions. Helping dogs to develop deeper bonds with their people. Come on in and say hi.